Hi everybody, I'm Stephanie from Razzle, Dazzle, Rabbitry and Yarns LLC. Today's video we're going to talk about the 3 common mistakes that we make when shearing our Angora rabbits. So one of the first mistakes that we make is we assume that the rabbit has to stay still and that the rabbit isn't going to move. This is completely false. We need to expect that the rabbit is going to move. We need to expect that the rabbit's going to twitch, it's going to hop, it's going to get curious, it's not going to want to be touched in certain places, which it's going to make it jump. These are things that are common and these are things that are okay. There's nothing wrong with it. So the second common mistake that we make when we're shearing our Angora rabbits is we assume that the rabbit has to look even when we're done. Well, this isn't a beauty contest and the rabbit isn't going to be even, especially if you're shearing with scissors. It doesn't matter if it's even. The goal of shearing is to safely get the wool off your rabbit. That's it. It's not to make it look absolutely perfect. And in fact, a side note, if you clip your rabbit and it's uneven and then you go back and you start trying to even it up, you're wasting wool. You're throwing away money. So just don't even worry about how even it is. Just worry about getting the wool off. So the third common mistake is using the wrong tools. A lot of people have the impression that they have to use clippers to get the wool off the rabbit. And this isn't true. So the tools you use matter to not only yourself, but they matter to the rabbit. And so if you think about it, if you're using clippers and you only have a couple rabbits, or you only have one rabbit, for example, the clippers add noise. That increases stress. The clippers add the sensation of vibration on the rabbit's skin, on the rabbit's body. That's not a normal sensation for a rabbit. That increases stress. When the rabbit's stress increases, your stress naturally increases because the rabbit becomes a little bit more difficult to manage. It becomes a bit more twitchy. And in the end, it doesn't make a great shearing situation. So choose the tools wisely. And I'll put the link below to the scissors that I use. They're just a common pair of scissors. And the scissor sharpener that I use below to see what I use for shearing the rabbit. So thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell because we're going to be doing more videos on grooming your Angora rabbit and shearing your Angora rabbit. Helpful tips, tricks, hacks, all sorts of tutorials. And if you're really interested in the Razzle Dazzle shearing method for Angora rabbits, we are coming out with a video course. Go to razzledazzlerabbitry.com. Go to the contact us form, submit your info, and that way when the course is released, you will be notified right away. So thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.